All right, brothers and sisters, I just want to show you a couple gotchas that I see. One of them is repeated from last week, and then I'll show another one that some students pointed out in the peer-reviewed journals this week, okay? So one that I will review as a gotcha from last week. If you were to try and say this if statement in English, you would probably not say it the way the computer needs you to say it, right? So you would say, the month has 31 days if it's January, March, May, July, August, October, or December, right? But that's not how the computer needs you to say it. The computer needs you to ask the question, is the month January, or is the month March, or is the month May, or is the month July, or is the month August, or is the month October, or is the month December, right? It seems like a very weird way to say things, but we have to ask these questions just in the way the computer would like us to do. For example, if I were to write this if statement how we say it in English, it might end up looking a little something like this. Right? This is closer to what we say in English. Is the month January or March or May or July, right? But this is an error. This is not valid JavaScript syntax, okay? We need to ask questions that will evaluate to true or false. And the way we will do that is by asking if this variable is equal to a value multiple times, okay? So don't be tricked into that. When you separate statements by a Boolean operator like and or, you always need to ask the question again, okay? All right, and another one to watch for, this is one that I remember struggling with when I took CIT 160. My program was not working. It was always returning true when I thought it should return false, okay? And notice here that we are using the double equal sign. Another operator in our programs is the single equal sign, and this is not the equality operator here. This is the assignment operator. So, rather than checking to see if the value that is held in the month variable, we are actually overriding the month variable with January. And then it's not valid JavaScript, right? We're just saying, is January true? And that's a ridiculous question, right? But you can't really say January is true or false, right? So remember, always use the double equal sign. This is the equality operator. The single equal sign is the assignment operator. They are not the same thing, and if you use one where you should have used the other, your program will have a bug in it.